What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for them talking in the background. They're just messing up my video right now. But today is the big day and we are finally gonna get the E34 painted. Well, not today because as you can tell it's dark as shit outside. But I'm just showing you guys what we have done so far. So if you guys watched the last video, we got everything sanded up. Everything is ready to go. We got the new front lip on the front bumper. We got a whole new rear bumper right here, which is off of PT.5 series. And then the car over here, which is on. I don't know if you guys can hear me right now because it's kind of loud, but the car is all sanded up and ready to go. All we have to do is give it a quick wipe down and it's gonna be ready for paint. If you guys have been keeping up with the build, we did a lot of work on this car, so it's finally time to get this thing painted. Sorry it's a little bit dark outside, but you guys are just gonna have to deal with it. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and go pick up the truck with the trailer and bring it over here so we can put this car on the trailer and get it ready to take it tomorrow. So I'm just gonna set it up on the trailer, get it all hooked up, and then in the morning I will take it down to the body shop where we are gonna get this thing painted. Shut the fuck up. Bro, you got gas in your truck? Some motherfucking, you know what kind of truck this is right here?
Hooked it up today, bro.
Dude.
I got a lot of gas.
Some motherfucking trail balls right now.
Do a review on it.
Hey!
The real 4x4
I ain't gonna do a review on this shit.
Alright, it's a lot more dirty.
He didn't even let the car warm up.
Yeah, the car's fucking warm.
It's not even warm. These lights don't even work that good. What is that, sir? We can't have that on YouTube.
BB gun.
It's a BB gun?
Yeah, we ride strap on this Fresno streets. Feel me, cuz?
Alright guys, we just got here. We already hooked up the truck to the trailer back there. Now we're gonna go head home so we can pick up the 5 Series. Alright guys, we just made it back home with the truck and trailer that's parked right there. Now we got to go ahead and load up the 540 onto the trailer. We just went ahead and threw the front and rear bumper on just for now, just for transportation, and then we'll take it off once we get to the body shop in the morning. But for now I'm just gonna throw it on the trailer, park the trailer, and then we'll take the car to the shop in the morning.
We're live.
Okay, get Robert's ears real quick just to calibrate
Man, not as big as your Atlantic-sized nose.
know, stuck.
Looks like Mount Ararat on steroids.
Well, no wonder my satellite radio went down today.
Yeah, because you didn't pay your
Did you
subscription.
put your hoodie on and killed the reception?
You didn't pay your subscription.
Alright guys, let's take a poll.
Alright.
Greg's nose bigger
Back up.
than Robert's ears.
Who's sexier? Let's put it there.
Okay, we're gonna take a vote.
Hang on.
You guys are gonna have to comment. You guys have to comment, okay? Robert is like
better
5'11", receding hairline, big ass ears. I have a receding hairline too, so it's not that bad. Don't worry about it.
all do. So do I.
Greg's receding-ish.
Uh-huh.
He's got Mount Everest on his face.
Hey, climb that shit, cuz.
Balkona. Tustuden.
Sir, my feet, you know. You won't do it. You won't do it. Oh, he's gonna do it. Well, it supports my weight. That's good news. Straight. And Jude's feet total. This car is gonna get painted black, I believe.
It's gonna be painted white, as you can see from the rear.
Oh, that's what it's for.
It's a bilingual color, non-binary. Non-binary.
You leave the LGBTQRSTUV community alone.
It's racist to do one color, so we're doing multiple
Bro,
colors.
if we keep recording, this was gonna get canceled.
You can't cancel if you're not famous.
Didn't one of your viewers say leave politics out of it? Let's go, Brandon.
Hey. Don't make me start singing FDT. Click it in a couple more times. Now you take the end of the loop and you shove it up. Como say what?
That's a big ass plane.
They're coming to get your ears.
Hey, close them, brother. You're gonna f up their reception. No Wi-Fi on the plane.
Take on Mount Everest, big ass nose out of here. Breathing all this fucking fresh air.
Okay guys, we got the E34 loader on the trailer, all strapped up and ready to go. Tal will drop this off at the body shop tomorrow morning where both cars will get painted. This one's black, the other one's green.
No, this one ain't gonna be black.
I'll be red, bro.
Well, good morning guys. As you can probably tell, it is cold as shit and we are about to head to the shop. It is chilly out today. It's like 7 in the morning right now and it's like 40 degrees as well. I'm tired as shit, but it's an exciting day because we're gonna get the E34 painted. So let's head on over to the shop where the paint booth is located. You can't tell that well on video, but we got some crazy fog this morning. I could barely see in front of me. Just pulled up to Diamond Auto Body, which is where we're getting the E34 painted at. As you can tell, it's still on the trailer, so I'm gonna quickly drop it off the trailer and get it inside so we can get it situated in the paint booth. Alright, we are here, guys. As you can tell, my E36 is here as well. But you guys are watching this video after the E36 is painted, so don't mind the timeline. I'm sure you guys saw already, but they actually went ahead and installed the new rear spoiler on the car, which completely changes the look of the rear end of this thing. That makes it look a little bit more aggressive, so I can't wait to see some color down on this car. It's gonna look so freaking good. We're actually moving the cars out of the way so we could get both cars in each paint booth. As you can tell, there's 2 paint booths. He's gonna be painting one car at a time, basically. Time to get this thing inside. That shit's annoying. So now what we gotta do before pushing it into the booth is use compressed air and blow off like all the water and all the crevices and stuff all over this car, because you can't have any like condensation or any water anywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so we went ahead and took off the bumpers and everything. Also went ahead and took off the rear spoiler, because obviously that's going to get painted separately. And we got the car inside the paint booth. And we also went ahead and wiped everything down, like all the crevices and stuff are all wiped down with Acetone. So I think it's all ready to be masked up. So we're going to go ahead and mask it up right now.
Armanci?
Kanata.
Kanata.
Kanata Armanci. Gorilla.
You're not down, Todd.
I want to see what do you guys think of this on the 540.
It's not bad though.
It's really not.
I don't like this one. It's got to go a little thinner. Alright guys, the car is finally ready for paint. Armand just has to wipe it down one last time right before shooting paint. But yeah, we got it all masked up and ready. I still haven't showed you guys the paint color, but I'm about to do that right now. I think they can already tell what color it is. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if he chose a good color, Arm. It looks hella bright in the camera.
Is this strawberry flavor?
Only you would think that, you fatty. Guys, the paint itself is actually a little dark, but it looks like really bright on camera. Camera don't do it justice. So Armand's just wiping it down real quick, and then he's gonna mix up the paint and finally shoot some paint. He's probably gonna shoot some sealer primer first, which will get everything the same color basically, and then he'll shoot the paint on top of that. But yeah, the paint that he got was red. We just showed you guys. It's a little bit darker than Imola red, so it should look really, really good on this car. Time for some paint, Arm?
Yeah, ready for paint.
Finally. You get to see some color on this damn thing.
That's fucking sick.
Like, I don't get how to use those cups. It's
Why?
there's so many fucking numbers on there.
What's that hard? There's ounces and milliliters.
What's an ounce?
Aren't you dyslexic?
An ounce of weed.
Let me show you something.
Guys, he just finished painting the car. I'm gonna go ahead and go in there right now just to give you guys a closer look. Guys, check this out. Look how good this thing looks. Obviously, it's still gonna need a polish. I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera how this looks, but God, it looks so freaking good. It looks so bright right now because it's under the lights, but once we take it outside, it's gonna be a little bit darker. Bodywork came out good. Everything looks so freaking good on this damn thing. I can't wait till we get this thing outside so we can take a better look. But obviously it's late right now. We started at 7 a.m. and right now it's already 7 p.m. So we're not gonna be taking the car home today. We're gonna leave it in the booth. We're gonna let it dry good, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna be back to unmask it and finally take it home. So I'll give you guys a better look at it in the morning, and I will see you guys then. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and I am on my way to Diamond Auto Body to pick up Armand's car so we can take it back to my house, because obviously we can't just leave it there for a long time. So I will catch you guys when I get there. I am gonna do my thing, Arm. Do your thing. Sheesh. Look at this shit, guys. I just got to the shop and this thing looks amazing. Oh my God. It looks like this car doesn't even need a polish, to be honest. Comment down below what you guys think of the color. Would you rather have it black or this color right here? This looks stupid good. Oh my God. All right, I think it's time to get this thing unwrapped and finally get it outside.
What do you expect?
Guys, we just threw the front and rear bumper on, and check out how good this damn thing looks. And we also brought the car outside. It actually looks really bright on the camera, but in person it's actually very dark. Here's the back end of it with the new M-Tech rear bumper, and you could just imagine it with the M-Tech spoiler also. We'll be throwing that on later on, probably not in this video though. Okay guys, it's finally time to get this thing loaded up and get it home. I parked the truck all the way over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and load it up real quick. Car is all finally strapped up. Now let's head home and drop this thing off. All right guys, we finally got the car back home, and this is going to be the resting place for like a week or two until it starts drying a little bit, because the paint is actually still really wet. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little walk around on how the car looks. This thing is looking so much better in this color, to be honest. Black was a little plain, and this red just pops, and it's not too bright either. It just looks bright on camera, but it's actually really dark. The rear bumper really set it off as well. We're going to be putting a custom exhaust on it as well. You guys will see that in probably a later video. But the wheels set it off, the bumper set it off, and this thing is looking so much better. Just check that out, guys. Ride height is also perfect too. We just need some spacers in the back and everything will be perfect. But that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video to come, because we're gonna start putting this thing back together and it's gonna finally look like a car again. So I cannot wait for that. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.